Hello mga ka-ventures! Welcome back to my channel. Today's video is about setting up our Wyze cam indoor Wi-Fi camera. So in the box we have the Wyze cam, USB cable, power adapter, quick start guide, wall plate, mounting tape. First, let's put together the USB cable and the power adapter. Here's the wall plate, and it's magnetic, and it came with the mounting tape. That's the lens, and that's the microphone. In the back is the USB output. Then the power input, that's where you connect the USB cable. And that's the status light. And that's the microSD slot. So first step, download the Wyze app and create an account. So it can be in an app store or a Google Play. So there you go, I downloaded the app already. So setup button is under, press it for 3 seconds.
Ready to connect.
And there you go. Press next on your screen and connect to your Wi-Fi. Now this cam connects to a 2.5 gig internet. This barcode will show up on your phone and you have to scan it with your Wyze cam. Oops, I forgot to remove the plastic. Sorry. Now it's ready.
QR code scanned. Please wait.
Once connected, you need to set up the device name. After you set up the device name, a share button will pop up. Now you can send it to all the family members and then they can monitor this device once they upload the app. It's very simple and easy to install.